all remembering all the songs of SPB that you are familiar with? Now it reminds you how common his voice has been across throughout our lives, right? Well, we have another superstar from Karnataka who has taken us on a global map. He's so cool, he doesn't even wear pants to concerts. Exactly, he doesn't even wear pants because he wears dhotis and lungis. Who do you think it is? Raghu Dikshit, the voice of modern folklore. And talking about him are Adrit and Shivangi.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we will talk about a very special folk music artist, Raghu Dikshit sir. He is famous for bringing Indian folk music to the modern world. He loves singing about villages, people, nature and everyday life. He wears colorful clothes and sings with so much happiness and energy. He sings in many different Indian languages and shares our culture with the whole world. His music reminds us to stay connected to our roots. Raghu Dikshit sir's folk music tells beautiful stories and fills our hearts with joy and tradition. Thank you.
Give it up for our graduates of RTF2 performing to the tunes of Raghu Dikshit.
ಕಾಪಾಡ್ದವನೆ ಕಂಡ 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 ಕಂಡೇನಾ
Can we have some vocals from the audience? Come on. rightfully showing us the way how to do it, are RTF2 graduates. Arav Prabhu, Bhargav Kumar, Mishika Anand, Arnav Rajiv, Parnita, Shivashish, Adhira, Dhruvika, Arya Zara, Abigail Susanna, and Owen D. Almeida. Give it up for all our champions who are looking so dapper and pretty in their outfits.